I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you BenQ PD3225U versus BenQ PD3220U. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end.
And you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about screen size. The 25U provided 32 inches screen size and 20U provided 32 inches screen size. So both are equal. Now let's look at the resolution. 25U provided 3840 into 2160 4K UHD resolution and it is also provided by 20U. So both are equal. Now let's look at the panel type. 25 provided IPS panel type and it is also provided by 20. So both are equal. Now let's look at the color accuracy. 25 provided 95% DCI P3, 100% sRGB, SDR10 and it is also provided by 20U. So both are equal. Now let's look at the brightness. 25 provided 315 nit brightness and it is also provided by 20U. So both are equal. Now let's look at the connectivity. 25 provided USB-C 65WPD HDMI display port USB 3.1 and 20U provided USB 85WPD HDMI display port USB 3.1. So 20U is better. Now let's look at the SDR support. SDR10 is provided by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of 25U is lower price. The estimate price is around $699 and the estimate price of BenQ 20 is high. The estimate price is around $1199. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the design. The design of 25 is minimalist ergonomic stand and the design of 20U is premium and medium finish ergonomic stand. So 20U is better. And in the last, let's look at ideal for 25U is ideal for budget friendly creatives and professionals and 20U is ideal for high end creatives and professionals. So it depends upon the user case. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.